Hi, I'm Michelle with Bella Branch DIY, and you're watching Hometalk.
First, you're going to take some soft, thick rope and you're going to cut it into 7-inch strips to make the cutest boho chic mirror. And I cut 12 strips. And you'll see why. So now you're going to take one of the little strips and you're going to uncoil it. And there are 3 parts to this. Now you really could use anything you want, but I'm using this because I think it makes it easy and it's very full. Next, you're going to take one of your strips and you're going to fold it in half and take the loop side and pull it through the last ring. Then take the 2 loose ends and pull that through the loop and pull it taut. And just keep adding your tassels all the way around. And I just want to remind you guys to think creatively, and whatever your style is. You may have a decor that's blue and you may want to use a blue version of this. And when you get to this part and you see the crossbar, you're going to want to hide that. So you're going to take each loose end and put it on either side of that crossbar. And then take those loose ends and put it through the loop, and that will hide that little crossbar. And then just continue on and fill the entire outside edge of the wreath base. Look how pretty that is. And you can make it as full as you want. And I ended up putting 36 tassels on mine, and I think it was perfect. And at this point, if you need to trim any outside edges, you can. I decided to keep mine just kind of rough. Now you're going to take some white paper or any kind of paper and you're going to protect your surface because you're going to add a mirror to the center of this. And you don't want the hot glue to get all over your table. Also, I cut a little white piece of paper so it's not distracting when you guys are watching. So now take some hot glue, and you need to use a Gorilla Glue or a high heat glue to hold your mirror. Then flip it over and see how I also added a zigzag of glue to hold the mirror also. Next, you're going to take one piece of rope, and don't cut the rope yet because you don't know exactly the length, and you're going to glue that right up against the top of the tassels all the way around. And you'll notice I work in small sections at a time. I put the glue down, I press down the rope, and then I continue all the way around. And when you get to the end, you're going to snip the end and then take some of the hot glue and put it right on the raw edge so that it doesn't continue to fray. And you may think at this point that we're almost done, but we are going to add one more design feature. Now you're going to take a piece of twine, and I put some hot glue on the end and let it dry so it almost acts like a needle, so it makes it a lot easier to string all these little wooden beads. Continue stringing the beads until you have enough to go around the outside of your mirror. And before you cut it, you're going to just measure and make sure that it's the right amount of beads and it looks perfect. Then you're going to tie off your little bead necklace, snip off your twine, and then hot glue that into place. This turned out even more beautiful than I thought it would. Look how beautiful that is. It looks so high-end and very boho chic, and it turned out so good. It looks beautiful on the wall, and I think it is a fun and easy project, and you can use it with any yarns or twine or raffia, whatever fits your decor, and I think it turned out awesome.
I hope you loved today's DIY, and until next time, bye!